Hello, good evening. Here is Doc Severson for the ReadySetCrypto OMNIA trade of the day for Wednesday, the 4th of May. All right, we got the Fed meeting out of the way. The Fed did what they were supposed to do, and what we're seeing here is a high volume move here on just about everything. So this is good, strong move that we've seen gone from about 38,000, almost 1,000 point move here in very little time, just within the last half hour. Big volume coming in. All of this looks really, really good. Now we'll see whether or not this is able to sustain this, whether it gets above this trend line. And right now my buy point, aggressive buy point, is going to be just above 40,800. So that's our aggressive buy point. If it's able to do that, it's got to close above that level today. All right, looking at the rest of them, we do have an aggressive buy point on Ethereum at about, let's see, that's right around 30,000 or 3050 or so. 3050 would be the aggressive buy point on Ethereum and a break of this. So again, this is the very first potential, and the aggressive buy point is going to give you the best reward to risk on your entry. However, the greatest possibility of being stopped out. But you never know. Sometimes it can work out really well because you'll get up to a conservative buy, which you'll think is a more conservative play, and we get a larger time frame pullback come into play at that, which would be a stop out on that conservative buy. However, you're still in on the aggressive buy and still protected with a strong hand. Binance coin is looking good, but nowhere close to a buy. We're going to find that with most of these. Most of these have gotten destroyed lately. Don't want to be picking the bottom, even though it's tempting to pick the bottom here. We want to wait until this transitions into some form of uptrend with higher highs and higher lows. We're nowhere close to that with many coins, including Solana, Cardano. This is Terra. Terra's close to a buy point above 100. That would be good. Here's Avalanche. It's way, way down from here. I am going to change this around to a buy point would be here at about 82. So that would have to transition nicely including a higher high, higher low for that to take. Dogecoin, nowhere close to that. Polkadot, got a long way to go. Shiba, long way to go. A lot of these on the top 20, long way to go. Near Protocol as well too. Got to wait for the transition. Kronos has been destroyed lately, so we'll let this fix itself. Litecoin still needs to transition. Last two for the top 20 is Chainlink. Chainlink is a long way away. We're going to change this over here to about 14.7, but that's going to have to come off of a higher low and not necessarily off the lower low here. And then lastly, looking at this, Tron is potentially showing a buy point today. Now it has to close above this level to take the buy point at about 8 cents, but Tron of all coins is showing volume coming in. And this is actually relatively bullish because it's got a higher low to go along with this. So higher low, higher high combination. This is a change in polarity back to an uptrend. Let's hope that we can get at least another couple of weeks of continuation on this move and that it's not just a one-day wonder based on the Fed. A lot of times after Fed days, we tend to have a little bit of a fade of the move, especially if it's a really strong move. So we'll see whether this sticks to the end of the day. There is no end of the day with crypto, of course, but this all is looking good so far. Good start to the day, and we'll see how this continues tomorrow. Let's hope for some follow through. That's it for today's report. Thanks for listening, guys. See you tomorrow.